कुंकळे नगरपालिकेन आता त्या वाठारांतल्या स्क्रॅपयार्डांचो सर्वे करूंक लायला। वाडट्या स्क्रॅपयार्डांक लागून थंयच्या लोकांच्या सेफ्टीचो प्रश्न उप्रासला। नगरपालिकेची बसका जाली। थंय बेकायदेशीर बोरव्हॅली मारल्यात। कांय जाणां बांयो मारून त्यो धंद्याक वापरतात म्हण बसकेंत चर्चा जाली। ताजेरूय नगरपालिका खंय एक्शन घेतली।
So I have to survey काढून सांगेल त्यांना किती स्क्रॅप यार्ड्स आहेत त्यो कुंकळ्या बिकॉज देर आर सायकल कार भोंवताय कुंकळ्या सायकल कार भोंवताय आनी तुम जाणा हेंचा इश्यूज हेंचा न्हू आमगे वुमन एंड चाइल्ड इज नॉट सेफ स्पेशली गर्ल चाइल्ड इज नॉट सेफ सो बोरवेल्स इंडस्ट्री जायते आहाय इलिगल जालो आहाय आनी बोरवेल ते वेला इट्स लायक ऑल ब्लॅक वॉटर ओके सो आम कंप्लेन येयलो ते मातशें चॅक करचें मग थिंगा इंडस्ट्री वचून कितले बोरवेल येयला आम कमिशन नासतना थिंग बोरवेल मारलो दोन तेमी टॅक्सी सगळे चडयल्ले आनी ते चडयल्ले वीच पीपल दे नॉट हॅपी विथ इट आनी लोकांक जायत आमकां येयला कंप्लेन येयले की टॅक्स चड जाला आमकां जायना आनी हरे म्हळ्यार लमसम पे करपा इट इज टू मच एक पाटी लोकांक जायना सो ताका लागून when I became a chairperson, I called a meeting with the councillors. We discussed, and then the councillors also agreed. And the councillors agreed that we slash down first.
As far as illegal bore wells are concerned, no, that is coming under the jurisdiction of IDC. So we cannot do anything. Okay. But there are several illegal wells in the Kunkole municipal area who are removing, extracting water and supplying for business purpose. Bore wells. Not bore wells. Wells, digging of wells. And these wells are without permission. Council have not done the survey. See, what is important is that we have to do the survey first, where the scrap yards are located and who are the owners. So these three things, I think we are lagging behind. We should do this first.
वडगांवां खूबशे ट्रेडर्स लायसन घेनासतनाच धंदो चलयतात। नगरपालिका खंय आतां तांचे कडच्यान वसुली करतली। नगरपालिकेन नवो सीओ सिद्धिविनायक नायकाक घेवन काम सुरू केलां। 4 कॉम्प्लेक्सांतलीच खंय कितली कोटीच येणावळ येतली म्हण तो उलयला।
Chief Officer, the council is very serious about the revenue mopping, and the council has instructed, and I have instructed the Chief Officer that the thrust of action should be on revenue and on the garbage. Yesterday he has started the revenue drive. There are 3 complexes which have been taken up, which are mainly all commercial establishments. So I have told him that you first take this to a logical conclusion, because just by taking these 3 complexes, I think we will mop up a revenue of at least about 3 crores and maybe above.
Yes. We visited four complexes, 4 building complexes, and surprisingly 41 of them did not had ready to show us the documents which we were seeking for. Mostly are these financial institutions, banks, malls, big franchises. I will not take their names. Running business. See, Margaon is the commercial capital of Goa. It has to. But thing is that it has to go in within all statutory norms. Yes, they say that we are ready to pay, but nobody came to us. So this is not an excuse that we have to look out for. See, we can pull down shutters, but we don't want any kind of pleasure to be derived out of this.
We want the business to go on.
We want business to go on. We want people to contribute for the welfare of this Margaon city. We want our coffers to grow so that we can spend better on the civic amenities. And yes, this is how the taxation system is built on.
घेऊया एक कमर्शियल ब्रेक।